Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress app on your mobile device. First, download the WordPress app from your device's App Store. Once installed, you can log in using your existing WordPress account or connect to a self-hosted WordPress site. The app allows you to manage multiple sites, making it incredibly convenient for busy users. The WordPress mobile app makes content creation simple. You can easily create new posts or pages, adding text, images, and other media directly from your phone's gallery. Editing existing content is also straightforward, allowing you to update articles, adjust formatting, and even manage categories and tags while you are on the go. It's like having your entire website in your pocket. Beyond content creation, the app offers robust site management tools. You can easily moderate comments, approving, replying to, or deleting them with just a few taps. Keep an eye on your site's performance by reviewing detailed statistics, including views and visitors. Plus, you can adjust basic site settings and manage user roles, giving you full control from anywhere. For more advanced users, the app supports the block editor, offering flexible content design options. You can also schedule posts for future publication, ensuring your content goes live exactly when you want it to. This powerful feature helps maintain a consistent publishing schedule. Before you go, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.